Baby, you're a queen in my eyes. Most beautiful thing I ever seen with my eyes. They only degrade you cause they ain't you, so they hate you.
Hi guys, welcome back to the ExoticATL channel with your girl Miss Chi. Today's video, I'm going to show you what I use to get rid of my cough and my congestion and stuffy nose. A few weeks ago, maybe about a month now, I had a really bad cold and I don't get sick, so that was like some other shit. Needless to say, I doctored on myself. In about 3 days I was good, but I still had this lingering cough. So this is what I implemented in my diet to get rid of my cough completely, and also any type of congestion. So if you implement this into your daily diet, it should help you with any type of congestions and things like that, and also if you have a cough. So what I used was a papaya. You can get this at any grocery store. I actually like mine to be a little smaller, but yeah, this is what I used. So what you do is you're going to cut this in half lengthwise. So not like this, you're going to cut it in half this way. Okay, so you're going to cut it in half lengthwise. And then you just open it up. Now, I'm going to save one for tomorrow. That's how I do. When I cut it in half, I eat one half today and the next half the next day. Now, you can do several things. Like me, for right now, I'm just going to scoop it and eat it. Now, this is very important to help you get rid of the cough. You want to eat the seeds. Now, I cannot take full credit for this. I have to give my good friend, celebrity chef, raw food Jeff, credit for this, because he's the one that turned me on to this. So check him out. I'm gonna leave the link to his Instagram below. He's an awesome raw food chef. He's been all over the world studying foods and raw food recipes, and he's absolutely amazing. So make sure y'all go check him out. Okay, so you can either cut this like so, and just go around and scoop it out, or you could just eat it directly like this, which is how I'm going to eat mine. If I was to scoop this out, I would definitely discard some of the seeds, because as you can see, it's a lot of freaking seeds in here. So but yeah, so you just scoop in like I do and eat. It's so damn good. I didn't like it. The seeds have like a peppery taste. It reminds me of wasabi, basically. But they're packed with nutrients and everything that is great for your body, that is great for your gut health. It's absolutely amazing. So damn good. I absolutely love it.
And they say the darker the berry, then the sweeter the juice. I know that there's a God because she is in you. There's nothing sexier than dark skin, red bone, caramel, chocolate. Hold your head up, beautiful. You're a god.
So damn good. So damn good. I love it.
Melody, woman, you're the best in every aspect of the word. It's absurd to think that you're anything short of amazing.
So damn good. I might have to eat the goddamn second one. It won't make no sense. So this is what I use to get rid of my cough, nasal congestion, and stuff like that. Enjoy. And if you haven't already done so, make sure you hit that subscribe button below and turn on your notifications so you can get all the videos as I'm dropping them. Much love and peace. Chi.
Without you, none of this is possible. And your dark skin is beautiful. Don't ever underestimate yourself. Your beauty is unparalleled in this world, you feel me?